Under Armour has received a ton of heat recently for missing the mark on its shoe releases. Its latest 3D shoe printed Architech Futurist intends to change the sentiment. The latest 3D release from the Baltimore-based company features a mid-top design, with dynamic lattice network for support, SpeedForm technology on the upper and a compression lace system. The lattice midsole has a similar look and design to that of adidas' Futurecraft 4D shoe, created through a partnership with Carbon. A training shoe unlike any other, the Architech Futurist reflects past, present, and future U innovations. Built with a compression lacing system and a 3D printed heel that redefines support, you're about to feel all-powerful, said Under Armour. At $300, it is the most expensive shoe that Under Armour has ever released. The shoe is a follow-up from UA's first 3D printed shoe, the Architech, which was worn by Under Armour endorser Michael Phelps in the 2016 Olympics. The release from Under Armour is encouraging, showing that the company is looking to the future to carve out market share in the footwear industry. 3D printing will be a key element for Under Armour's footwear production moving forward. While Nike and Adidas has had quite a head start on UA, breaking through with solid 3D printing releases can be a crucial way for the company to catch up and lead the industry forward. The Under Armour Architech Futurist was a limited release and is currently sold out on UA's website.